Hi guys, welcome to the session. I am from the Learn with Mans. We are going to see what is exactly we listen many times freight units, freight. What are the meaning of the freight? For an example, this is a train, okay? This train, goods train, okay, we can see here we have the materials, right? Products, containers. So we call this is the freight. First, we are going to understand freight meaning. And suppose if we have the ship which can hold, we can see some of the products, containers, or the ship can hold, what can hold? Passengers too, okay? So freight, we call this is a freight. Or it depends upon like if we have the vehicle, trucks, or like some kind of planes, okay, goods planes. So freight means, if you see this, it's similar. Freight unit is the same thing as a handling unit, okay? In EWM we call handling unit, here we call freight unit. And also we see this box we call freight unit or handling unit, and this is the, we can see here, packaging material type, okay, which is the pallet. As we know, we have the different kind of packaging material types like wooden pallet, plastic pallet, metal pallet, box pallet, disposable pallet, special pallet. So freight unit, this freight unit holds package, holds material product which we are going to send to the customer. Thank you very much guys. Like, subscribe, follow me to the different social media platform. Please get back to me for the training, consulting supports, guidance, resume preparation. Thank you very much guys. See you again.